Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'd greatly appreciate it. Have a good day.
This is Eric with Acker's Chimney Services. So you get my hand out of the way. I'm on the northwest side up in the Copperfield area of Houston, Texas. Today is March 23rd of 2023, and we're at a house that I'm guessing is probably 35 years old. I haven't been inside. I came directly up on the roof because this is where the problem is. We've got a collapsed masonry crown that at one point in time another company came out and put on a some type of crown coat, crown seal, something to that effect. Let me flip the phone around, or we'll start another video and we'll get some close-ups so you don't have to see my gray-haired mug on this. You can just hear me narrate in the back.